We'll guide you through how to review Namecheap hosting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Namecheap website. Log into your account by clicking the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and click Sign In again. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard where you'll see an overview of your products. Click on Hosting List from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find all your hosting plans displayed. Click on the Manage button next to the hosting package you want to review. This will take you to the details page of your hosting plan. You'll see information like the status of your hosting, the renewal date, and the domain associated with it. To review performance metrics, look for the cPanel button and click on it to access your hosting control panel. In the cPanel, you can explore various tools and metrics such as AW Stats or Webalizer under the Metrics section for detailed web analytics. Check resource usage to see how much bandwidth and disk space you're using. It's important to ensure your site isn't close to any limits, as this might affect performance. If you want to review support or billing history, go back to the Namecheap dashboard and choose Billing or Support from the menu. Reviewing your billing details will allow you to check past invoices and upcoming payments. If you need assistance or have concerns, you can always click on the live chat option at the bottom right of the page to speak with a support representative. This comprehensive review process will help you ensure that your hosting plan is performing well and aligns with your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.